How to use the mobile app to scan documents. Scanning and uploading documents with TaxDome lets you easily turn paper documents into digital files, helping you stay organized and work more efficiently. Start by going to the Home section and tapping Upload Documents. Select the client the document belongs to, then choose the folder where you'd like to upload it. Next, tap the Upload button at the top right and select Document Scanner. Take a photo of the document and tap Save. If the image isn't automatically detected, you can manually crop or rotate it. If your document has multiple pages, simply repeat the process for each one. Once you've captured all the pages, tap Done to save the document as a PDF. You can rename the file if needed, then tap Upload to complete the process. Alternatively, you can start by tapping the Scan Document button on the home screen and then select the client and folder for the upload.